Hey there, little artists! Welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone, where drawing and coloring turn into magical fun. Today, we're drawing your favorite Disney friends, Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, Daisy, Donald, and Goofy. Let's make them come to life with colors and smiles. I start by sketching Mickey's round face and those big, iconic ears everyone loves. Then I draw his cheerful eyes and happy smile. Mickey always brings joy to the page. I fill his ears and nose with black, his face with soft peach, and his tongue bright red. With a few bold outlines, Mickey looks ready for another fun adventure. Next comes Minnie. I sketch her cute face and add her big bow on top of her head. Then I draw her kind smile and pretty eyelashes. She's looking adorable already. I color her bow in bright pink and her face just like Mickey's. With her gentle colors and happy smile, Minnie looks super sweet. Now it's time for Pluto. I draw his long, floppy ears and happy face. Then I add his collar and tongue hanging out. He's such a playful pup. I color his fur bright yellow and his collar green for a pop of color. With his big grin and shiny eyes, Pluto looks ready to play fetch. I start Daisy with her round face, long lashes, and her cute bow on top. Then I draw her beak and add her cheerful expression. Daisy always looks stylish. I color her bow purple and her beak orange, making her look bright and fancy. Her soft white feathers and pink blush make Daisy shine with charm. Now let's draw Donald. I sketch his round head, beak, and sailor hat. His eyes are wide open and full of fun, just like in the cartoons. I color his hat blue with a yellow ribbon and his beak orange. Donald's bright colors make him look ready for adventure. Finally, it's Goofy. I draw his long face, big nose, and his funny hat. I color his hat green and orange and his ears black. With his cheerful grin, Goofy brings the perfect ending to our Disney lineup. And there you have it, Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, Daisy, Donald, and Goofy, all full of color, laughter, and fun. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, make sure to like, subscribe, and keep your creative adventure going here at Kiddo Adventure Zone.